In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Tradingview arrow tools. First, open your web browser and head to tradingview.com. You can use a free account to follow along. Once the site loads, you'll see a search bar at the top. Type the name or ticker of any stock or index you want to analyze, then choose it from the suggestions. To get the full workspace and all the drawing features, switch into the full chart view. This is often labeled as the full featured chart and gives you access to the complete toolbar on the left, your timeframes and indicators at the top, and your object list on the right. Now let's bring up the arrow tools. Look over to the left-hand toolbar and find the icon for geometric shapes. It typically looks like a square and a circle together. Click it once to reveal a panel of shape tools. If you don't immediately see the arrows, hover or click and hold to expand the menu. This is where Tradingview groups common annotation shapes, including several arrow options that help you mark entries, exits, trends, and key points on your charts. Within that menu, you have a few choices: arrow, arrow marker, arrow markup, and arrow mark down. Each one has a slightly different purpose. The arrow tool draws a line with an arrowhead, which is ideal for pointing from one area of the chart to another. Click to set the start, drag to the target, and release. The arrow marker is a standalone arrow icon you drop with a single click, great for quick callouts without a connecting line. Arrow markup and arrow mark down are small, clear markers that point up or down, perfect for highlighting bullish and bearish signals or simply marking where something important happened on the price chart. After placing any arrow, you can customize it. With the arrow selected, use the options that appear on the top toolbar or in the settings panel to change color, thickness, opacity, and size. If you need precision, zoom in before placing the marker and consider holding shift while drawing the arrow to keep angles tidy. If you place something in the wrong spot, press undo or select it and hit delete. Right-clicking gives you helpful options like lock, which prevents accidental moves, and duplicate, which speeds up repetitive annotations. You can also click the star next to your favorite arrow in the menu to add it to the quick access toolbar for faster use later. That's it. Open the chart, find the geometric shapes menu, and choose the arrow that matches your purpose. With a few thoughtful settings, your annotations will be clear, consistent, and easy to read.